Hello, Bacha Party. Welcome to the another lecture of Standard 6, chapter number 8, Body Movement. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the easy way to understand the body movement of this chapter. So, in the previous part, we have studied many of the things like bones and the parts of bones which are movable, which are fixed, what the type of bones, how they are moved, and many more things. Even that we had already studied the cartilage also. What is that? So cartilage is a simple that it's not actually bone, it's a soft tissues, or we can say the soft muscles. Clear? Now what is muscle? Actually we know about that, but we are not able to understand what is that. हमें पता तो है लेकिन उसका जो आइडिया है किस तरह से वो वर्क कर रहा है वो हमें नहीं पता. तो चलो समझ लेते हैं उसे भी. It is soft tissues consisting of muscle fiber. That in our body there is our body is made up of the bone, and bone is covered with the muscles. With the use of the muscles, the bone is moved. Without a particular, if there is no muscle, then the bone movement of bone is not particularly perfect. And our whole muscles is covered by the skin. Means there is a three layer. One is a bone, next bone is covered with the muscles, and the muscles is covered by the skins. Clear? And our body is made. So muscles are attached to the bone of the skeletons. This is the skeletons. You can see the laser light. Clear? This is the bone. Skeleton means this is the bone. Clear? And the brown color, or you can say the red color, this portion is known as what? It's a muscle. Clear? In the muscle, the covering form of muscle is what? Covering form of bone is known as a muscle. When the muscle attached to the bone contract, it becomes shorter, stiffer, and thicker. Now, this is the relaxed portion. Clear? That our hand is in the relaxed form. Clear? Sometime when you squeeze your hand, or when you can say that when you bend your arm, you can show your muscles to your friends that look at my arm is very big, बहुत बड़ा दिख रहा है उसके अंदर डोले सोले दिख रहे. Why? How it is formed? Because बच्चा बड़ी it is contract. Means what? When you are forming this format means you are just bending your arm with the elbow. On that time the upper portion is going to be a contract, so the huge bundle of muscles is going to be a contract. ये मसल ना contract हो जाएगा और आपको बड़ा वहां पे मसल दिखेगा. Clear? And the below portion is going to be what? Relax. Means the muscle always work in the form of what? Contract and relax. If one is contract, next is relax. Clear? So another thing is that muscles always pull the bone, not the push. Always pull the bone, मतलब अपनी तरफ खींचता है bone को, धक्का नहीं देता कभी भी bone को. Clear? It's just pull the bone. Means the bone is not going to be displaced from their mean position. Clear? So when the upper portion is contract, the lower portion is going to be relaxed. So it always stay on this position. Now when the body is in the straight form, the upper position is what? It is in the relaxed form. So the lower position is what? It is in the contract form. So when your hand is in relaxed form, you can able to see that the below portion of your arm, this side, clear, वो थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाएगा ऊपर के कंपेयर में. Why? Because of the muscles बच्चा body. Clear? Now gait of the animal. Clear? What is that? The gait of the animal. It is simple that you can say the walk, or simply that on which way the animal are walking. Normally we know that human are walking with their legs, but most of the animal are not walk their legs. They don't have even leg. So how they are moving? Let's look at that. Different animal use different organs to move from one place to another. Yes, बच्चा वाटी. Even when you think about the human, they are using their legs. Even that different animal are using different, and which are there, what is there, some of the animals we will study so we can understand betterly. Like we can say the bird fly, fish swim, snake crawl. Some of the given below, that this one we will study. Clear? Which one is the movement of earthworm? Most of the time we had seen that earthworm is going to be a move. Clear? How they move? Let's we will imagine the things, because science is one of the imagination. यार सबको फील करो. आप आंख बंद करोगे तो आपको अर्थवर्म दिखेगा. इवन दैट इन द रेनी सीजन यू कैन फाइंड द अर्थवर्म. उसे चलते हुए देखो, ऑब्जर्व करो, क्या मस्त लगता है. इवन दैट द स्नेल, that how the snail is also walking. And if you don't know that what is snail, earthworm मतलब अनासिया बोलते हैं. Even that snail, I will show you the picture. Clear? Cockroach, most of the person know that what is cockroach, and some have also fear from the cockroach, because it's not only walking, sometimes it's going to be flying. Yeah, they have wings. Even that the birds, how the bird is flying, how the fish is going to be a swim. That the how the fish is going to be swim, the same movement if the human are done, then human are also can swim. The swimmers, जो भी swimmers है वो पानी में जाते हैं, तरवैया. Clear? वो तैरते, तो कैसे तैरते? They had observed the particular word fish, that how they are swim, and from that observation they had copied this thing and they become the swimmer. And the snake, that how the snake is we will study one by one. Let's start. Moment in earth form. Clear? This is our earth form. You can observe it here. Now, earthworm does not have a leg and bone. That we know very well. That if you are a small child, and if you had seen that earthworm, some of the child is playing with the earthworm by cutting or by touching. It is very soft. Clear? So they don't have the leg, even that the bones. It move by alternate and contraction of the body affected by the muscle. How they move? Okay, you can see it one by one picture. Okay, so how they move. The first picture is saying that this earthworm is moving this direction. Clear? So what they do? First they contract their body. Clear? The upper portion is going to be a contract this portion, and the back portion they going to be a contract in this side. मतलब क्या करेगा, यहाँ का है ना उसे contract कर देगा. Wait a minute. ये पोर्शन को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगा, इसको आगे खींचेगा. क्लियर? नाउ दिस पोर्शन इज इन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्म एंड दिस इज इन द रिलैक्स फॉर्म. ये आगे चला जाएगा. मतलब क्या होगा, ऐसे यू कैन ऑब्जर्व इट दिस वन. क्लियर? दैट दिस मूव इन दिस डायरेक्शन. ये आगे गया. लाइक you can watch it, that older movie, they have the dance step that that's I don't remember that song, but how they move. Look at here. ये आगे आया, ये क्या होगा, तो वहीं पे रुकेगा. क्लियर? ना ये यहाँ पे चिपक गया तो ये आगे मूव हो जाएगा. क्लियर? लाइक movement of your hand also you can see it. So you can watch it my finger, that how they are moving. They're doing the simple thing. The finger is like a mouth. They stop out here and move the big portion to the front. Then the finger, or you can say the mouth, is going to be further. This type of motion is done by the particular word earthworm. Bachapati. So its body secrete a slimy substance to help the movement. Now, if we move our hand to the surface, sometimes it's going to be very hard to move. Clear? because of the friction, or we can say that because of the harder or a rough surface. So how the earthworm is going to know? This is the one of the question. So earthworm is always secrete the slimy substance, means वो एक एकदम चिकना पदार्थ अपनी बॉडी में से निकालता है, so they can help to move easily. Clear? Sometime if you had voiced that a particular earthworm, you can find that at the back portion of earthworm, or you can find the particular one line of water. Clear? पानी जैसी लाइन आपको दिखती है. That is the secret of slimy substance. The minute movable breast help in gripping the ground. This down portion is what? It's the breast that you can meaning of breast you can look at here. The breast are hair. What? It's the bristle is in one is the you can say the hair like structure projecting out of the body of the earthworm. So the down portion they have what? Bristle. So it is going to be help to move from the ground. With that bristle they are going to be walk. Like you can see that if you had seen that Spider-Man movie, first part of Spider-Man. So on in that movie they had seen that in the particular in their palm or a finger there is a small hair, and with that the help of that hair they are climbing the wall. दीवार पे चढ़ता है. ओ मेरे हाथों में बाल उग गया. Clear? So this is what bristle. Now earthworm is very useful for farmer as it increases the fertility of soil. This is the important thing, that earthworm is a friend of farmer. They are always fertilize the soil. How they fertilize the soil? Earthworm eat the portion and the things which is indigestible they throwing out. तो उसके पेट में जाके क्या हो जाएगा? वो एकदम सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा. Clear? Because of the slimy things which is in their body. So they become very soft and they reduce from their back side. वो निकाल देगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? Particularly आराम से वो लैंड होगा, वो सॉफ्ट हो जाएगी. How they go inside, clear, in the particular land and eat the things, then come outside, inside, come outside with this type of motion and eating of the soils and removing the undigested product, they become fertile the soil. Bacha badi. Clear? Now if you take one example that how the bristle is work on the soil, then take one earthworm and place it in the paper. Now if you see the motion of the earthworm, it is not a stable. Particularly you are not supposed to see the particular motion of the earthworm is stable, because in the paper there is not a such type of grip like a soil. तो वो आराम से वहाँ पे चल नहीं पाएगा. Means what, the bristle is always working mostly in the soil. Now the snail, the amazing thing, this is the hardest portion of the snail. If you'd seen the rainy season, it's amazing. Yeah, the body of the snail is covered with the hard seed. This portion is a hard seed and it is covered with the snail. This is the snail and this is the hard seed. The body is soft and consists of head, foot and cell. Clear? This is the whole body of that snail. It consists what? Its body is very soft. Then they have one head, even that there is a small foot, and this is our cell. Clear? The foot is large, secrete a slimy substance which help a snail slightly over the ground, dragging its heavy cell with it. So they have a long foot, large foot. Clear? And when they move, such like a particular word, yes, earthworm. Clear? So earthworm is also secrete the slimy substance, and the snail is also the secrete the slimy substance in the opposite direction of the movement. Clear? And they help to move. Even that they drag the heavy seal. ये seal को भी उठा के वो आगे तक ले जाता है. The speed is very slow of the snail. The movement of the foot is slow and controlled by the muscle attached to it. So the movement of the particular foot is very slow and is controlled by muscles attached to it. The muscle which is attached with the snail, it is depend on that. Yeah. Now the cockroach can walk, climb and fly up to a short distance. That you can observe it, that when you observe the cockroach, the speed of the cockroach is very fast. Clear? So they can walk, even that they can climb easily at the wall and fly up to this short distance. They can fly up to, when you observe that cockroach, they स्मॉल फ्लाई दे आर स्टॉप, छोटे छोटे उड़ान भर के वो रुक जाता है एक जगह, फिर से उड़ता है. Why? Because they are not able to fly with the long distance. They are only able to fly for the short distance. The body of cockroach is covered with the hard outer skeleton. This is an important thing. Hard outer skeleton is also known as what? Exoskeletons. That the outer portion, or you can say the cover of the cockroach, is what? Hard outer skeleton, or is an exoskeleton, and it is made up of what? Chitin. This is the IMP thing. Then one marks question, that the body of the cockroach is made up of this, is a chitin. Yeah. They have 3 pair of joint leg attached to breast. This is a 3 pair, 1 2 3. Here is also the 1 2 3. Clear? And they are attached to the breastbone. Clear? That in the, you can see that in the rib cage there is available that breastbone attached to the breast region, which help them to walk. It is a help them to walk. This is the walking position, and this is the रेसिप्रोकल, मतलब ये उल्टा है, ये सीधा है. क्लियर? The 2 pair of wings are also attached to breast. That this wing is also attached to the wings. That suppose this is our breast. Clear? This is 1 2 3, 1 2 3. And we also have the wings. So this type of thing is going to be that the breast region is connected with the particular word. It connected to the breast region. Clear? The breast muscle move the wings when the cockroach fly. So when the cockroach is flying, on that time the breast muscle is moved. It's obviously that without the movement of the muscle, it is not possible to fly. Or we can say the walk. Now the moment in bird, how the bird is going to be a move. So if we don't have a picture of bird, we will see it, bacha, because it's a magic. Yeah. The bird can walk with 2 legs as well fly with wings. That these are very easy things, that when you observe the bird, they are able to walk, even that they are able to fly with the help of the wings. The bones of hind legs of birds help them to walk and perch. Clear? So you can observe it here, that this is the particular word. Hinge means here they are able to walk, and they are able to take any of the things if they want to take anything, pinch. Yeah. Flying the chest muscle help the bird to flap their wings. Yeah. So when the bird is fly, on that time, when the bird is flying, on that time chest muscle is help to blood. So the chest muscles is going to be a help to the bird for the flap. Flap is simple, that you can hearing the sound, clear avaz. That their bones are hollow to make them fly, make them lightweight. You can see that the bone is in the hollow. Clear? So it is able to fly easily, and the weight of that bone is very lighter. When you observe that particular hen, the hen have the not to hen have too much weight, so they are not able to fly for a long distance, or they are not able to fly properly. वो बहुत ऊंचा उड़ नहीं सकती, इवन that वो उड़ नहीं सकती. हाँ, their wings are held to not to fly but टू सेव देयर बॉडी. अगर वो कहीं से छलांग लगाई है तो उसकी विंग उसकी मदद करेगी कि वो उसके पैरों पे गिरे और उसको पैर को डैमेज ना करे. क्लियर? नाउ द forelimbs are modified into the wings to fly. This is our forelimbs. It is going to be modified in the form of wings, so they can able to fly. Duck and swan can swim in water. This is duck and swan. That's we know very well that the ducks and small like white colored bird, they are able to swim in the water. The skeleton of the bird which show is flight adaptation. So the skeleton of the bird is in the form of flight adaptation, means so उड़ना वो अडॉप्ट कर लेते हैं कि हाँ हमें उड़ना ही है. Clear? So this is the particular bone of that bird, structure of the birds or skeleton of the birds. This is the hingline we use for the walking. The hingline. Clear? This is the neck bone. This is the breastbone. Clear? This is the forelimb modified into the wings, and this is the skull. Clear? Now, amazing things of that fish, that how the fish is going to be a move, or the moment of fish, or we can say the how the fish is swim. The body of the fish is like a boat and is called streamline, which help the fish in the movement. The body of the fish is like a streamline structure. स्ट्रीमलाइन स्ट्रक्चर मतलब पानी में बहे जाए ना उस तरह से, मतलब किस तरह से है ऐसा. सर यू आर द आर्टिस्ट. दिस इज द वन स्मॉल फिश I just tried was yeah. So this is the fish, and they have the streamline structure, so they can able to move in this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction. ऐसे वो move कर सकते हैं. Even that human also can move in different direction. That their hand is in the different direction. On the same time, leg is in the different direction. So they are able to swim. Yep. So they have what this is the important that they have a streamlined structure. Clear? During swimming, the muscles make the front arc of the body curve to one side, while tail part swims towards the opposite side. So on the swimming time, how they swim? Okay, let's look it here. That they are moving in this direction. Yeah. This direction. So the tail part is in the opposite direction. Look at here. This means वो किस तरह से चलता है. I will show you. Okay, you can able to watch it my hand over here. That this is my hand. Clear? Like a fish. You can just think this is a fish. If I want this direction, so my back portion, or you can say the thumb, is in opposite direction. Now this is in the opposite direction. So if you are making the wave line, clear? So अगर ये नीचे गया तो बैक पोर्शन ऊपर आएगा, ये ऊपर गया तो बैक पोर्शन नीचे आएगा. So they are make it the streamline. Clear? The fish does form a curve. Clear? So the fish is making what curve? Curve बनाता है. Curve means simple. That is, this is the curve. This is the curve. Clear? This is also the curve. This all the things are known as what? It's a curve. Clear? These make the jerk and push the body forward and help in their movement. Clear? So this make it jerk means what is the simple that झटकते हैं अपनी बॉडी को जोर से. Like you can see that dog when you throw the water on the dog, how they jar खुद को कैसे साफ करते, कैसे झटकते, such that jar and push the body forward. Clear? मतलब कि वो आगे पीछे से हिलते. That so how they jerk in this way and they go in the forward direction. Clear? So these movement they make the jerk and push the body forward and help in their movement. Clear bachawale? Now the final thing is that movement of the snake. Most of the things you had seen in the movie, and most of the movie there is an episode of the snake, or if you had seen the Nagin, so over there you can able to see the snake. Clear? So when you observe that a snake are moving, then they are moving in the curve portion. How? Let's look at that. Snake is vertebra, like they have the vertebra. Clear? It has a long backbone which is very flexible. Clear? The snake have what? They have the long backbone and it is also the flexible. Clear? The snake can curve its body into many loop. Clear? So they are just when you observe that snake or a python or आपने अजगर भी देखा होगा. Clear? That on the wind they take their particular prey, अपना शिकार जब पकड़ते हैं, what they are doing, वो उसकी बॉडी को एकदम आटी मार के, like this is their prey, means it's a human, and what they are doing, यहाँ से ऐसे जाएगा, ऐसे करके पकड़ेगा और ऐसे करके मुंह खोलेगा उसके सामने. Okay? So it is very flexible to move. Clear? This movement is supported by vertebrae present in the backbone and the muscle. So the movement these I had shown in the feature or this position are supported by vertebra because it is very flexible. It is in the backbone and the muscles. Backbone, rib and skins are also connected to the muscles. That backbone, rib and skins are connected with the muscles. This kind of movement in snake is called slithering. Clear? This is a slithering. They are making the different curve. On the same time, they are making the many of the curves. You can see it over here. That I will give you another things that interesting information that the snake is not going to be older anymore. कभी भी वो बुढ़ा नहीं होता. Their upper skin is going to be dry. उसके ऊपर की skin है ना वो dry हो जाएगी और बुढ़े जैसे हो जाएगी. But when the skin is removed, वो जैसा था वैसा का वैसा ही रहेगा. Clear? Have you ever seen that a snake is died by their own? अपने आप से मरा हो? नहीं. Only people are make them to finish. This is the informative information. Clear? कुछ तो जानना चाहिए. So here are the chapter is going to be and thank you for watching this video. This is Sufyan Sarwat explaining you the easy way to understand the science, and always stay tuned with us. And one thing is important, that do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Clear? Goodbye. Bye.